Hi guys, how you doing? So, another chapter of my life. Gonna be my first tattoo ever. Look at that. Gonna be beautiful guys. So, abangan. Alright, see you later.
Got a lawyer at St. John's who set up an offshore shell security operation that's ready to pay out salary and bonuses for the rest of our lives. Just kind of like, take a look at my work. I don't want to see that because then I can't.
Ganito pala feeling guys pag nagpapatato ka guys for the first time. Ayun. Para kang nag-slide ng ilang beses sa motor.
Cataclysmic events which overtook them, it is entirely possible that raptors, rather than humans, would have become the dominant species on this planet.
Medyo matagal-tagal pa guys. Anong oras na? Alright guys, kunti na lang matatapos na yung aking bakuna. Masyadong matagal magbakuna tong ewan ko saan galing aking sa to.
Tatato ka, nakatingin ka sa
Ayun mo.
At guys, kunting-kunti na lang at matatapos na yung ang pagbabakuna sa akin. Ayan. Woohoo! My first ever tattoo. Ito naman ang angas oh. Siyempre pa yung aking tattoo artist, Jerry. Alright. Ito naman oh. Mahirap din yung tattoo namin kasi tatlong karakter to. Andito si Zeus, si Poseidon at saka si Megalodon. Oh. Ang pa yan, 3-in-1 yan. Well, another experience. At tingnan natin ano magiging reaksyon ng katawan ko kasi sabi nga nila addictive daw yung tattoo. Hindi natin alam. Ayan. Gusto nyo magpa-tattoo guys, mag-comment lang kayo. At para kukontakin natin itong ating magaling na artist. Alright? Malapit na. Finishing touches na lang yung ginagawa ni Jerry.